Namaste, everyone. I'm Sequoia, and I'm sitting alongside the holy river Ganga in northern India. The sun has just risen, and it's a beautiful day. I'm surrounded by the mountains. And one of my most favorite things to do with sound is to sing my heart song. And I want to teach you how to sing your heart song, because no two heart songs will be the same. And it's really about tuning in to how you feel. So having the intention, tuning into how you feel, and then drawing that up through sound. Yeah, and I have no instruments. We don't need instruments because we are the instrument, okay? Regardless of what you sound like. So I don't even know what's gonna come out of me, but I do know there's gonna be sound. It may not sound great, but because I feel great, it might sound okay. If I was sad, the sound would reflect that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna breathe in this beauty all around me. I'm gonna breathe in all this beauty all around me. And when I do that, I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful to be alive. I'm so grateful to be here. Like, I feel so lucky. Like, so many people don't know what it's like to be in another country, and here I am. So I'll just tune into that and then allow whatever sound to come out to express my gratitude. Hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah. Oh, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. That also felt great too. So that's it. That's all you got to do. And get out of your head about it should sound good. It's not even, there's no one here. I'm just sharing this with you. So you have access to an inner tool within you that helps you to express the way you feel. And guess what? I just happen to be in this awesome place right now. Not every day I'm in an awesome place. And so if I feel sad, then I'm gonna express sadness. And the beautiful thing about that is you can transform the energy instead of suppress it. That's the power of it. Like, when you are feeling sad and you cry, you feel good, or you feel better. You feel some release anyways. Same when you use the sound. You feel anger, then allow it to be released with sound. That's the power sound has. Good luck, and I hope you explore and have fun.